Hello everyone, welcome back to Saraswati Academy. As we have finished first lesson of Maths 1, we have completed all the exercises, we have also solved the problem set. Okay, now today we are going to see the problem set of Maths 2 first lesson, that is the similarity. So we are going to start with the problem set. Okay, now as all of you know that in this problem set, question number 1 is of choose the correct alternative. So we are not going to see that question. We'll start from question number 2. Okay, so I have written second question on the board. As you can see that the question is given here in triangle ABC, D dash C and BD equal to 7. Okay, so here the measurement is given as a BD equal to 7 and BC is 20. Okay, so BC is given as 20. Then find the following ratios. Okay, so the following ratios we have to find it out. Now in this question, as the diagram is given to you, see now in triangle ABC, B dash D dash C, the measurement of BD is 70 and full complete BC is, that is the 20. Now we'll go through this example. First of all, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the measurement of DC. Okay, measurement of DC, because BD is given, BC is given as 20. So from this given information, we will find the value of DC first of all. Okay, so now we'll go towards the solution. Okay, solution. So as you are able to see what is given, that is the BC equal to 20, then BD is equal to 7. Okay, and we have to find it as a CD or DC. Okay, so therefore what is BC now? BC is equal to BD plus DC. Okay, so therefore what is the value of BC? BC is 20 is equal to BD is 7 plus DC. Okay, so therefore DC is equal to 20 minus 7. So DC equal to 30. Okay, so here we got the value of DC. Now what we have to do? Now we will go through the first ratio. Or before going towards the first ratio, as you can see that which triangles are given in the ratio, that is ABDC. You can see ABD. Then the second triangle is ABC, and one more triangle is there, that is ADC. Okay, now the triangle ABC, then the ADC and ABD, all these three triangles have the common vertex A. Okay, so we'll write here, that is the triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ADC have common vertex A. Okay, second thing, what is there? That is their bases. What are their bases now? For ABC, the base is BC. For ABD, base is BD. And for ADC, the base is, that is DC. They lie on the same line. And due to this, what is happening? That is, therefore their heights are equal. Their heights are equal. Okay, so now we are going to write the statement. Now, as all of you know, what is the statement? That is the areas of similar triangles, okay, having the equal heights corresponds to their bases. Okay, so we'll write that statement now here. That is the areas of similar triangles having equal heights equal heights are proportional to their bases, are proportional to their corresponding bases. Okay, now as all of you know, सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की काय आहे, heights are same. Okay, so when the heights are same, जेव्हा heights same असतात तेव्हा आपण काय घेतो, at that time we take the bases. Okay, so what will be here now, that is the areas of similar triangles with equal heights, they are proportional to their bases. Okay, now the first one will take, that is the first ratio is what, that is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. Okay, now see the base. Now what is the base of triangle ABD? ABD चा base काय आहे, BD is equal to BD upon, आणि ADC चा base काय आहे, DC. Okay, or we can write as a CD also, anything we can write, either DC or CD. Okay, so now we'll substitute the values here. What is the value of BD? See, BD is given as a 7. Okay, and what is the value of CD? We have calculated as 13. So 7 upon 13. Okay, so here we'll write the answer, that is therefore area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to 7 upon 13. Okay, so we got this ratio now. First one we have calculated, पहिले याची value आपण काढलेली आहे. Okay, now we'll go towards the second one. What is the second now? Number 2, which we have to find the ratio, that is the number 2. What is given now? Second one, that is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Okay, what is the base of ABD? BD. And what is the base of ABC? That is BC. Okay, so that is equal to BD ची value काय आहे? BD is given as 7 and BC as 20. Okay, so here it will be 7 upon 20. So what we got the ratio now, that is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 7 upon 20. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the value of our second ratio. Okay, आता आपण number 3 कडे जाऊया. What is given as number 3? Number 3 is given as the area of triangle. Number 3, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC. Okay, see now what is the base of ADC? Base of ADC is CD. Okay, so CD upon BC. Okay, the base of ABC, triangle ABC is BC. What is the value of CD? CD we have calculated. आपण इथे calculate केली आहे. CD is 13. So that is equal to 13 upon BC is what? 20. Okay, so at the end we got the ratio, that is area of triangle ADC upon ABC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 13 upon 20. Okay, so we have calculated the ratio, third ratio also. We have calculated the value of the third ratio. Okay, so in this way we can solve this example in a proper way. So it is very important that you should understand the base and height of the triangle, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now we'll see the next one. See now the third example I have written on the board. Third and fourth together we are going to see. So in the third example, that is ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is 2:3. Okay, so ratio of the areas are given. Areas ratio are given as a 2:3, and these two triangles have the equal heights. If the base of the smaller triangle is 6, then what is the base of the bigger triangle? Okay. So now we'll go towards the solution. So in this we are now actually the diagram is not given, so there are no names given to the triangles. So we'll consider that the let the areas of the two triangles be A1 and A2. Okay. So or we can consider as let area of smaller triangle. Okay, we'll consider as a smaller triangle. Let the area of smaller triangle be A1 and area of bigger triangle be A2. Okay. Now their base of smaller triangle is given. Base of smaller triangle B1 is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now let base of bigger triangle be B2. Okay, base of bigger triangle be B2. Okay, so now as it is given here that the areas have the equal, sorry, not areas but the triangles have the equal heights. So what is given, that is triangles have equal heights. Okay, so what we will consider now, that the areas of triangles having equal heights are proportional to their bases. Okay, to their corresponding bases. Now I want to mention here one thing, that is the areas ratio of the areas are given as a 2:3. So I will mention here, that is the A1 is to A2 is equal to 2:3. So this is given in the question, that is the ratios of the areas are 2:3. Okay, so I have written here, I have mentioned here, that is A1 is to A2 is equal to 2:3. Now what we are going to do, that is the area of the smaller triangle, that is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Okay, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Now we'll substitute the values here. So what is here now? A1 is what? A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is equal to, what is the base of smaller triangle is 6 upon B2. Okay, so now what we'll do? We will calculate B2 now here. Okay, what will be now? We will calculate the B2. Therefore, B2 is equal to 6 into 3 upon 2. Okay, 6 into 3 we have to cross multiply. So 6 into 3 upon 2. We will divide this now. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, therefore B2 is equal to 3 threes are 9 centimeter. Okay, so at the end we will write the answer, that is the base of bigger triangle is 9 centimeter. Okay, in this way we can write, at the end we will write the answer in the sentence. Okay, so we got B2 as a base of the bigger triangle, we got it as a 9 centimeter. Okay. Now see, as you can see here, the next sum I have written on the board, that is the fourth example. In this, what we are able to see, that is there are the two triangles we are able to see, that is triangle ABC and triangle DCB. Now in these two triangles, what is given to us, that is AB is 6 and CD is what, 8. Okay. So as you can see in these two triangles, what we are able to see, that is the triangle ABC and triangle DCB, they have the common base BC. Okay, so obviously if the bases are common, their areas will be proportional to their heights. Okay, so we will write now here as a solution, we will write now solution. Okay, so first of all, what is given, that is AB equal to 6, then DC equal to 8, and one more thing is there, that is angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, that is equal to 90 degree. So all these things are given to us. Okay. Now next point, what I told, that is both the triangles, they have the common bases. Okay. Okay. So we will write here, that is triangle ABC and triangle DCB have common base BC. Have common base. What is the common base? That is BC. Okay. So what will be now? Areas will be proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay. So we'll write that statement now. That is the areas of triangles having equal bases are proportional, okay, are proportional to their corresponding heights, okay. So this statement is very important. ही statement जी आहे ती खूप important आहे. Every time you have to write this statement. Okay. So now we'll write the ratio of the areas of the two triangles. Okay. So now what is the ratio? That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to. Now ratios are equal, so we will take the heights. What is the height of triangle ABC? Height of triangle ABC is AB and height of triangle DCB is DC. Okay, so we will write here as that is equal to AB upon DC. Okay, the value is given to us. What is AB here? AB is equal to 6 and DC is 8. Okay, so we can divide this by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, so at the end what ratio will get? Therefore will get as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, so at the end we get the ratio of these two triangles, that is the 3 upon 4. At the end you can get you can make such kind of boxes to the given answers. Okay, so we'll see the now next example. We'll see the fifth example which I have written. Diagram is given to you. In this diagram PM is given as a 10 centimeter and the areas are given of two triangles. Okay, areas of two triangles are given to us. That is area of triangle PQS is 100 square centimeter and area of triangle QRS is 110 square centimeter, and we have to find the value of NR. Okay, now as you see that, see the diagram, the triangle PQS and triangle QRS, both this triangle they have the common base, that is the QS. Okay, See, you can see PQS, base is QS, height of the triangle is PM. Similarly, for the triangle QRS, base is QS and height is NR. So from this we come to know that the base of both the triangles are same. So it will correspond to their heights. It will be proportional to their heights. So we will go towards the solution now. Okay. So first of all, what is given to us? That is the PM equal to 10 centimeter. Then area of triangle PQS is equal to 100 square centimeter. Then area of triangle QRS is equal to 110 square centimeter. Okay, so all these things are given to us, and all these things are given. Okay, so now what we see here now, that is triangle PQS and triangle QRS have common base QS. Okay, so what we see here now, that the bases are common, therefore area of given triangles, areas of given triangles with common bases or having common bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. As I told you, this statement is very, very important. Children, you should learn this statement by heart, because if you forget to write this statement, then your marks will be decreased. Okay, so it's very important. So areas of the given triangles with common bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, so we'll now write the ratio of both the triangles, that is area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equal to, what is the height now? PQS, the height of triangle PQS is PM and height of triangle QRS is NR. Okay, now in the next step we'll substitute the values now. Therefore, what is the value of PQS? Area is 100 upon 110 is equal to, what is the value of PM is given as 10. So 10 upon NR. Okay, now in the next step what we are going to do, we will cross multiply. So that will be 100 into NR is equal to 110 into 10. Okay, so now we arrange the numbers properly to calculate for doing the calculation. So 110 into 10 upon 100. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very simple. You have to just cancel the zeros. Okay, so cut this 1 0 1 0 will get cancelled. Again this second also. So what you get the answer, that is 11 ones are 11. Therefore we get the value of NR is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the value of NR as 11 centimeter. Okay, so in this our today's video, in our today's session, we have completed the 5 examples. Okay, and in the next session, 5 means we have completed the second, third, fourth and fifth, means 4 examples. Okay, so in the next video we will continue with the same problems. Thank you.